Alright, what's going on guys? George with another video, and we are out here at the Flower District in downtown LA. It's a very special day today. Today's our 3-year anniversary with Gisela, and I figured why not do something different. I know there's a lot of local flower shops near my house, but I always like to come out to downtown LA because they do have the best flowers in town, and for the price you can't go wrong. Let me show you guys around. So now that I'm back at home, I'm pretty much just waiting for her to show up. We are taking my truck in today's adventure, and she has no clue that I got her these flowers. I know she's gonna be super happy. Not only that, I also got some Dodger tickets. It's been a long time since we hit a Dodger game, and what better day to hit a Dodger game than our 3-year anniversary. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. I'm gonna just treat her, make sure she's happy, make sure she feels appreciated, because I do appreciate her. And if you're watching this, which I'm sure you are, I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Gisela, thanks for everything that you do for me. And thanks for being my #1 supporter. But before we get into it, I also want to thank you guys so much for always watching. And I hope you guys had a great 4th of July. Honestly guys, we had a blast. My brother and sister-in-law came over with the kids. My parents were here. Gisela was here. And it was just overall a great time. We lit fireworks, laughs and giggles, good conversations. Let me stop there and let me show you guys a little recap of our 4th of July. Alright, happy anniversary.
They're not for you.
Yeah, they're for you. Alright, what do you think?
It's huge. It's like 5 times bigger.
She doesn't really like flowers though. She'd rather get parts
No.
for a Jeep.
They're so
You like them? Alright, what's going on dudes? We have Gisela with us now. She got her flowers. What'd you think of the flowers?
They're beautiful. Thank you.
No problem, but like I said earlier, it is our 3-year anniversary today, so I'm trying to switch it up a little bit. Usually we go off-roading or we do something kind of outdoorsy, but today, where are we going?
Dodger game.
We're gonna hit the Dodger game. We're gonna have some good food, and hopefully the Dodgers win today. I think they are gonna win.
I'm not worried.
She's not worried. She's gonna have a good time regardless, so let's go. And you guys ready for some solid B-roll? I am. Alright, so we're here.
Yay!
She didn't sound very excited, guys.
I am. I'm trying to buy parking so we could save some money.
Ooh. Let me tell you guys something. When you date someone, or if you're dating someone and their goal is to always save money, no matter if it's at Target or Dodger Stadium, whatever it is, he or she is a keeper. So that's when I knew she was a keeper. How many stairs so far?
What is this summer like?
Oh God. We're at the top deck on a mission to look for what? Some esquites, man. I was telling you it's worth it, but man, was it worth it going up all those stairs? Alright, so moment of truth. How's the esquite?
It was worth the however many flights of stairs.
Dude, we had to go all the way to the top, get the esquite, and then go back all the way down to our seats.
Holding it and not being able to eat it.
So happy 3 years anniversary. I hope you enjoy this.
I did.
Yeah?
There was an earthquake, but I didn't feel it, so we're good.
I felt it.
No, you didn't.
It was like this. Hey, you would have freaked out, huh? Yeah. I'm honestly glad she didn't feel it because she has a phobia for earthquakes.
I've gotten lucky because there's been 3 and I haven't felt any of them.
For those of you guys that live in California, know that there was an earthquake yesterday, and there was one this morning, and one right now. So, did you feel it? Did you feel it?